Top 6. Best drill press. However, when it's time to choose the right drill press, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best drill press on the market today, so if you're interested in what drill press will work best for you, stay tuned.
Presses require manual adjustments in order to change from one speed to another. Use the following simple steps to adjust your drill press's speed to your workpiece's needs. In this example, we will demonstrate using the Wen 8-inch 5-speed drill press. This particular Wen drill press includes a guide to help determine the right RPM for your project. For safety purposes, unplug your drill press from the wall before you get started. We don't want anyone losing a finger, now do we? Step 1. Open your drill press and loosen the belt using the knob and latch located on the side of the drill press. Once the motor has shifted backwards, the belt will be loose enough to move around. Step 2. To change the speed, simply slip your finger under the loosened belt and gently pull to the desired level while rotating the pulleys. Step 3. After the belt has been put into place, use the side knob and latch to secure the motor and tighten the belt. Make sure to close the lid before plugging the machine back in. And that's how you manually adjust your drill press to the correct speed.
To accommodate drilling into the end of a piece. This can be helpful when you have a longer workpiece and need to drill a hole in one or both of the ends. Before you begin drilling, be sure that your workpiece is securely attached to the table in a vertical position. Use the table handle to adjust the appropriate depth. Check that your belt speed is at the proper setting for the material you're drilling. Once your belts have been set, you can begin drilling your hole. Learn more about the Jet 20-inch floor drill press on our website. And don't forget that your drill press comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you. In this example, we'll be using a piece of aluminum block. Once you have your workpiece firmly bolted to the drill press base, be sure that the chuck guard is flipped down and check the RPM spindle speed label to set the correct belt position before you begin drilling. The belt offers a simple way to adjust your drill speed, giving you greater flexibility when using your floor drill press for a wide range of projects. Once you have your belts at your desired speed, use the downfeed handle to press the drill bit into the material without pushing too hard. Allow the bit and drill to do the work for you. Be sure to back it out partway to help clear any debris from the hole you're drilling. If you find too much debris is building up around your bit, you may need to slow down your RPMs using the belts on top of the drill head. You should look to make chips with your drilling instead of shaving.
The Milescraft AccuDrillMate allows you to drill straight and angled holes on the edge of a board or even round stock. The all-metal construction provides the precision of a drill press with the ease of a hand drill. To begin assembling the AccuDrillMate, slide both the guide bars into the guide head. Slide the support spring onto one of the guide bars. Then slide the stop collar on the other guide bar, securely tightening the S-style knob. Attach the 2 angle indicators to the bottom of both guide bars. Next, slide the M5 bolts that were provided into the slots on the angle locks. Position both angle locks underneath the main base with the M5 bolts coming up through the angle channel. Secure both guide bars to the M5 bolts, resting the angle indicator in the channel. Securely tighten both knobs. Finally, thread the handle screw into the handle and slip it into the slot on the side of the main base, gently tightening the handle to the base. You are now ready to drill. The AccuDrillMate can be used with either 3/8 of an inch or a 1/2 inch power drill. The base of the AccuDrillMate is made entirely of metal. On either side of the base, there are all metal angle slots that help you set the angle to which you're drilling. On either side of the metal head of the Milescraft AccuDrillMate, there are glide bushings that help you drill smooth and accurate holes. Along with the all-metal head, the AccuDrillMate comes with 2 solid metal rods. In the head of the unit, there are 2 ball bearings that eliminate play when drilling. The first is on the top of the guide head by the shaft, and the other is on the bottom of the guide head by the chuck. The design of the head allows for maximum travel. While using the AccuDrillMate with a spring and depth stop, you can achieve a maximum travel of 6.3 inches. While using the AccuDrillMate without the spring and depth stop, you can achieve a maximum travel of 8.23 inches, allowing you to drill far past the base of the AccuDrillMate. The product comes with a removable depth stop for drilling to a precise depth every time. With the all-metal angle locks, you can drill at angles of 45, 60, 75, and 90 degrees. It also comes with a removable handle for added stability when drilling. The base of this product is very innovative and is self-centering when drilling on narrow stock. On the top of the base, you will find 2 V-groove channels that allow you to drill through round stock without your piece slipping. There are 4 TPE feet to prevent marring and slipping on your workpiece. You can also drill screws through the holes of the base to mount the AccuDrillMate into a secured position. The Milescraft AccuDrillMate is all metal construction and is a very precise and accurate portable drill press.
Not only do they offer the power and accuracy not achievable by hand drilling, but they also double as an oscillating spindle sander with a built-in dust collection port for the ultimate in workshop efficiency and versatility. The ShopFox machines perform both primary duties without sacrificing the performance of either one, and switching between machine functions is a breeze that only takes seconds to do. Before we go over how this is done, let's look at some of the key performance features of each machine first. The smaller 1/2 horsepower W1667 features a 1/2 inch drill chuck and 8.5 inch swing, perfect for hobby activities, light duty cottage industry work, or do-it-yourself projects. If you need a tool with more speeds, more power, and more capacity for heavier use, step up to the 3/4 horsepower ShopFox W1668. This unit, with its 5/8 inch chuck and 13.25 inch swing, is capable of powering through demanding jobs with ease and is one of the more robust benchtop drill presses on the market. Both units feature aluminum finned motor covers for maximum heat dissipation and long, cool running motor life. The W1668 features 12 belt controlled speeds ranging from 250 to 3050 RPM. This wide range allows you to find the optimum spindle speed for drilling different materials and varying sanding operations. The ability to slow the spindle speed all the way down to 250 RPMs is ideal for effective use with hardwoods and some metals, or for use with larger diameter Forstner bits. Use one of the higher speeds for flawlessly smooth holes and fine finishes with softwoods. The lighter duty W1667 features 5 speeds with an impressive 620 to 3100 RPM range. At approximately 130 pounds and a little over 3 feet in height, the W1668 reduces vibration, and the 17.5 by 11-inch cast iron base offers superior stability. If space is a concern, consider the W1667. Weighing approximately 54 pounds and measuring less than 2 feet tall, this compact drill press can simply be moved out of the way when not in use. The W1667 and W1668 tables both provide ample work surfaces for drilling and sanding operations and tilt 90 degrees to both the left and right to perform special drilling or sanding angles. You can adjust the table height to accommodate workpiece heights of up to 8 inches for the W1667 and up to 17.25 inches for the W1668. One of the great features of both models is their sanding capabilities. These drill presses can be converted from their drilling to sanding operations in a matter of seconds with just a few tool-free steps. First, unplug the machine. Next, remove the handles so they don't present a hazard while the machine is oscillating. Lift the belt cover and remove the round belt. Then easily stretch it onto the top groove in the spindle and oscillating mechanism pulley and close the cover. Loosen the jam nut on the depth stop and adjust both nuts to the top of the depth stop rod. Tighten the jam nut. Insert the sanding drum mandrel into the chuck, then tighten the chuck. Select and install the matching table insert into the table. Loosen and pivot the table so the opening in the installed table insert is centered to the drill.
Since 1951, Wen has equipped woodworkers with reliable tools at an affordable price. Now, with our 12-inch variable speed drill press, you'll get top-of-the-line drilling power without compromising performance or price. Adjust the variable speed to any rate between 530 and 3100 RPM to perfectly complement your workpiece. Watch as this Wen drill press glides through wood like a soldering iron through butter. That is beautiful. Remember when power tools are versatile enough for any project? This package includes an adjustable work table that not only bevels but also extends outwards, an onboard digital readout and lever for easy changes to RPM, and a combination work light and laser for maximum accuracy. Remember when tools were built for rugged performance? Attack wood, plastic, and metal with ease. Watch as we effortlessly drill into an inch.
Thanks for
of
watching,
pure
and that's
cast iron.
all for this video.
The Wen
If you like
12-inch
this video
variable
and it
speed
helped
drill
you out in
press.
any way, please give the
Remember when
video a
power
like and
tools
hit
were
that
actually
subscribe button.
powerful?
Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.